Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to get premium versions free with Google Play Points. I have created videos about Google Play Points. If you don't have an idea about Google Play Points, you can find and watch from my video description. Open Google Play Store and locate the Google Play Points section. I am in gold level now. In this video I am going to show you how to earn them and use them. I want to show you benefits. It's free. Click Perks section. Then we can see what they offer to us. In these days we can get these offers. If you are Google Pixels lover, then you can get 30% off when you purchasing Google Pixels phones. We can see what devices get 30% off from this details section, however it offered lasted version Google Pixel series. You can buy Google Pixel 9 series from this offer, read the terms and condition here before going to purchase it. YouTube Premium up to 4 months free. This is limited, however we can use this reward this with Google account. Last week I got Disney Plus free to 4 months. Check daily what offers you can get with Play Points Perks section. If you are new to Google Play Points, check you are eligible to activate Play Points. Does not have Google Play Points? Comment below, I will teach you how to get them free. Thank you watching us. Subscribe to watch more future videos. Thank you.